Yeah, hello guys, what's up everybody? Yeah, this is me with who?
Minor boy. No, not
Baby.
there. Not there. Just get out there.
Where should I go?
No,
Seek.
just get away from spawn. We're just, oh, we're just in the middle of it. I mean, just,
It's good. I'm so old now.
yo, press E.
E.
You have everyone.
I've been in the hair. I got 500. Holy. Can I?
Just get, I go to the swimming pool. Find the swimming pool. Get out there.
Where? Where's the swimming pool? Where do I place third person? Oh, it's under, right? The swimming pool?
I think it's upstairs.
No, it's under.
Oh, the ship.
Shh, shh,
Oh, yeah, it's coming your way.
Shush, it's okay. I'm gonna kill it.
It's not to be satisfied anyway, so don't waste your time. Oh,
Oh, there's a crafting guy there.
just stop.
Let me find it. A knockback. Knockback is so. Holy shit. But
Go
what?
to the theater.
What I'm gonna Wait. Sine.
Are you just showing yourself?
Oi.
Stop there, stop there. Just bring out your sword. Bring out your sword.
Bring out your soda.
I think this is just going to be a 5 minute episode.
Yeah. Uh huh. What the actual crap? He's not here. Okay.
Okay, just wait.
It's okay. He got
There. No one's suspecting. Just get over there.
I'm gonna kill that.
Oh, they're just no. Look, they're just waiting for the guy, and then come kill him. So, see?
Can I go?
No, you need to win this shit.
Hyder's gonna win. Hyder's gonna win. Hyder's gonna.
No, it's
Look
the
at that.
thing.
Haha, that's bloody hell. Oh. Holy smokes. What is that? Can I kill it?
No.
No. Oh, I moved it. Let's see also. Holy. Look. I got a stack.
Let me just 50 seconds. Just be quiet.
Wait.
Unbreaking X. Look, just watch them fight.
Can I go fight?
No.
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 Please, sir, please.
No.
Fuck,
It's the
wait.
first gameplay of our channel, so we need to win. Oh no, no!
Oh, oh.
We need to win this.
I need to win a single time. Wait. Seeker 1. See,
Oh
hide
my
this.
gosh, what
Hide the
is it?
7.
Oh,
That's bad. I'm bad. I'm bad. Can I kill him, please? It's right over there.
look, you're, I think we already win, or it lags, or a server
Oh,
crash.
because we already won. Because look, it's
Yay!
we won.
No, it's lagging.
No, we won. I'm not kidding. We won. Look.
Look, they're frozen.
Look. I mean, this is a real crafting table, huh? Look, because this is the guy, right? See, we won. We won. We won. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching the first episode of Hide and Seek. Or whatever. So yeah, if you want to play hide and seek on your own and on this server, maybe you can get it on a video. Yeah, I will put the IP
Server
address
ID. Server ID
this
down
thing.
below.
So yeah,
Server
on the
ID.
description. So yeah, guys, if so, yeah, what do you want to say?
So thank you guys
Eh,
for the support. The 2 subscribers, that means a lot to us.
oh my gosh,
So
we have
please
two
leave a like,
subscribers.
comment, and yeah, goodbye guys.
Just leave a like, and if this is the first video you've seen by our channel, please subscribe and join us mine.
The gold.
Yeah. So yeah, guys, goodbye.